Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn business page in 2026. A LinkedIn business page helps you showcase your brand, attract customers, connect with professionals, and grow your company's online presence. First, open the LinkedIn website on your PC or laptop, or launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then sign in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, click the ** for business ** or work ** icon at the top right corner of the page. Scroll down and select Create a Company Page ***. LinkedIn uses company pages as business pages, so this is the correct option to choose. Next, select the page type that matches your business. Then enter your business name and create a unique LinkedIn public URL. Now fill in your business information, including your website, industry, company size, and organization type. Upload your business logo and add a short tagline that clearly explains what your business does. After that, check the confirmation box stating that you're authorized to create the page on behalf of the business. Then click Create Page ***. Your LinkedIn business page is now live. To make it more professional, upload a cover image, write a detailed About section, add your business location and contact information, and begin sharing updates, photos, articles, and company news. Posting regularly and keeping your page updated can help you reach more people, build credibility, and attract potential customers, employees, and business partners. And that's how you can create a LinkedIn business page in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.